My name is Narikure Diedone. This is Morning Star School. I'm here by teaching science and English. So today we are very happy for you because you come here and what you have taught us is very useful for us. As we know, in our daily life, hygiene is a life, we know. So here there are children who need to practice what you have taught us. We will continue to put more effort on what you have taught us, and we need to appreciate you for this day, and we know that even next time we will come back. So thank you very much. And also, if you have other members in your campaign, you appreciate them for us. Thank you very much.